friends, I'm Splash. Today we're learning how to stay safe and healthy. And it's going to be fun! My body is special, and so is yours. It belongs to me, that's for sure. A high five, a hug, a friendly wave. These are safe touches that make us feel brave. If a touch doesn't feel right, I can say no. My body is mine. And that's how I know. The parts covered by my swimsuit are just for me. Only a trusted grown-up helping me bathe or a doctor during a checkup with my parent there may see. If something feels wrong or makes me feel bad, I tell a grown-up I trust, like my mom or my dad. Telling the truth is always okay. I won't get in trouble, that's the Bloop Town way. Even when we're careful, sometimes little accidents happen, and that's okay too. Sometimes we scrape a knee or bump a toe. That's okay, here's what to do, you know. First, I take a breath and stay nice and calm. A little owie won't cause much harm. Then I tell a grown-up right away.
They'll help me feel better without delay. The grown-up washes it gently and clean. The softest, most caring hands I've seen. A colorful bandage covers it with care. Now my little owie has nothing to scare. A little rest, a hug, and time to heal. Soon I'll be back to how I usually feel.
Sometimes an owie or a tummy ache needs extra care. That's when a doctor or nurse can help us feel better.
At a checkup, they listen to my heartbeat, check my ears,
and ask how I'm feeling.
It's a normal, healthy visit.
Parents, doctors, nurses, and grown-ups I trust, they all help keep me safe and healthy. That's a must. My body's mine, I can say no. Tell a grown-up I trust. That's how I grow. Stay calm, get help, a bandage too. Checkups and grown-ups take care of me and you. Thanks for learning. Stay safe and healthy with me today. If you liked this video, like it, share it, and subscribe to Bloop Town for more.